So many, yeah, that's right.
Lamp City, yo. Let me start off by telling you a story of how I met this girl on a snowy winter morning up in a science class, and her smile was adoring. But when I went to hit her up, she pretty much ignored me. Now I know I ain't the coolest cat with it, but I never go to class, girl, except when you win it. And I got the 7 digits if you just give me a minute. She just turned around and smiled and she dissected a pigeon. But I'm never ever gonna forfeit. No, I don't play football, that ain't important. I know you ain't that boring. Come on, with an ass all the guys stare at, trying to see the thong. They never get it, but girl, I'm never quitting. And I'm gonna be a star so that life you can live it. And I think about you walking through the lunch line, you getting a salad, I'm sitting at the table cause I'm done with mine. There ain't enough lines to tell you how I feel, but the truth's what I speak, cause the truth is what's real. And all I think about is how to make you notice, and I'm sure there is a way, but I don't know. She only see me when I'm riding around, putting it down, but she don't wanna talk if I'm laying around. But I promise I'ma do whatever it takes to get her. She don't see that I just drive around with the music loud, hoping one day I can take her around. And I promise I'ma do whatever it takes to get her. So I decided to go up to her, nervous as I'm walking through the library, stuck to her, my eyes very cluttered with her, giving me that sex look. Take a seat, awkwardly pull out my math textbook. Yo, girl, I ain't trying to solve equations, but me plus you equal a date next weekend. And I know, man, I ain't got a date to prom, so come on, don't this fitted cap kinda turn you on? And I kinda need an answer, cause I think about you all the time. The situation running over in my mind. It's fine, but could you tell me, are you with me? I know I ain't the best, but my moms think I'm pretty. And I know you always hear about the kid who got big dreams, but for this rapping shit I even quit the fucking team. So you can tell that I'm a passionate guy, and the friend zone is where I would usually lie. What if I was the cool kid, the athlete, musician, magician, the stoner, maybe the rap king? It doesn't matter what I finally came to see, everything that I was doing, I just wasn't doing me. She only see me when I'm riding around, putting it down, but she don't wanna talk if I'm laying around. But I promise I'ma do whatever it takes to get her. She don't see that I just drive around with the music loud, hoping one day I can take her around. And I promise I'ma do whatever it takes to get her. She only see me when I'm riding around, putting it down, but she don't wanna talk if I'm laying around. I promise, do whatever it takes to get you. She don't see that I just drive around with the music loud, hoping one day I can take her around. But I promise, do whatever it takes to get you. Promise I'ma do whatever, it's gonna work out. One day. We got it.